Jabra is on a bit of a tear. Their Elite 65T true wireless earbuds are currently our #1 true wireless earbud. And that's because they just managed to combine everything between sound quality, sports functionality, fit, finish, and battery life. Now they've got a few new announcements that they're breaking here at IFA 2018. Let me show you. We'll come right down here. They've got a series of new colors available. So they've added copper red, copper blue, and copper black in addition to their black and lime scheme and their titanium black scheme. So you've got a few more options going on. The other big thing that they're announcing here today is that all of these are now Alexa enabled. So you make a little, flip a little switch in the Sound Plus app, and you can control Amazon from the earbuds themselves without having to take out your phone to control them. That means that you can stream Spotify if you want to, if you have that set up. But the other neat thing today is that the Copper Black Edition is exclusive to Amazon. That particular set of earbuds comes with 3 free months of Amazon's unlimited streaming music service. So that's the big news from Jabra here today at IFA 2018.